Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices. My subject is maths and my topic is fractions. My methodology will be experiential learning. I will be taking this topic for grade 4 level. So, here before we move on, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Amrita Srivastav and I am a math teacher at the HDFC School, Pune. So, before we start any lesson, as a teacher, we focus on the learning outcomes. So, when we start fractions, or when before we start fractions, we have some learning outcomes. We have some focus on learning outcome that the students should uh, be able to define fractions, numerator, denominator, fraction bar, and he should be able to identify number of shaded parts and the number of equal parts in a shape, and a student should be able to identify a kind of fraction. He should be able to classify fractions. So with such an aim, such a goal, a teacher has to start with the lesson. And when we move on, like in our day to day classes also, we are following this concept of pre-conceptual activity as a homework, or pre-conceptual homework. We give the videos, we give some activity to the children to practice at home before they come to the class, which helps them to enhance their learning, which helps them to increase the curiosity level towards the lesson. So, which is also known as flip blended learning. We integrate the teachings, we integrate the learning to flip blended learning, which enhances an individual learning, which enhances the learner to come prepared to the class, and a learner can explore the subject in a deeper manner. So here I have also planned activity. In case we need to teach fractions, I have planned an activity here for a child to come prepared from home. He might be having doubts, he might come up with more and more ideas. And here I explore the goal based model of experiential learning. Experiential learning is our methodology. We encourage students for experiential learning because a child can learn by doing. A child can learn by his own experiences when he is able to share, to generalize, and then to apply. And it's not every time possible that a child always gets success in his experiments. He can learn from his failures as well. We have basic concepts of fractions through which, like, you can teach fractions in your day-to-day life. For example, these paper plates, we have the concepts of paper plates, then we have the concepts of tablespoon, and far more. If you don't have anything, the best thing is take the strips and show the bar fraction bar units in them, and we student can easily understand, and which and every child has the accessibility to those things. And if we talk about remote learning, we have online tools also, so which can be easily accessed by the students. This is a geoboard. This is a here you a student can use the MS Word also to show the fraction bars, and here geoboard can be used, which every child can access without any login, so which is easy for the students to understand. Now, when we teach fractions, we also want the students to understand the types of fractions, to classify the types of fractions, and which includes like, unlike, proper, improper, equivalent, mixed, and unit fractions. With the help of concrete examples, a child can explain, child can understand these. We have also incorporated art integrated learning. Now, art integrated learning enhances the learning skills of a child. He or she enjoys, believe me, every child in my class enjoyed doing activity. Here they had to explore any shape, they had to make any shape with the fractions cut out, and that was very much interesting for them, and they came up with these beautiful ideas, which really all of them were enjoying doing that. Now, when we talk about day to day life examples, day to day life applications, really, It's true. Students need to connect their life with their with the concepts. Every day, whatever is happening with them, the situations they face in their life needs to be connected with the concepts of mathematics. Here I have given few examples. For example, a child says, I want half of the apple. Yes, this happens in a child's life. So here we need to tell them that this is the way you have to integrate the concepts. This is the way you have to implement the concepts of mathematics in your daily life. And here a child says, I want one fourth of the cake. Here the recipe needs 1/8 of tablespoon of salt. So this is the way we can explain daily life applications of any concept when a child is relating it to his own life, and the moment that he will learn the concepts very soon. So, here I would like to take you to the journey of virtual learning from setting up of meetings till the assessments and feedback. Here we set up the meeting, and this is where uh, how the students join the classes, then the learning happens, and here they are able to submit the work, and we are able to see that work, and it is accessible for each child. Then some assignments are also given with the help of teams, and feedback is given by the teacher. Yes, my dear friends, feedback is very, very important in children's life as well as in everybody's life for further improvement. So, with this virtual learning journey and, of course, our daily classrooms journey, I would like to end my session here. Thank you.